My name is Lee Maddox. I'm a retired captain with the Maryland State Police and executive board member with Law Enforcement Against Prohibition. Law Enforcement Against Prohibition is an international nonprofit dedicated to educating and informing people about drug policy failures and how to move forward. I'm an adjunct professor at the University of Maryland Carey School of Law. I teach in the clinical program, so we go out in the field. I run a brief legal advice clinic where we go out into the communities in Baltimore twice a week with students and social workers and a band of attorneys and go out and give brief advice to people who otherwise can't get access to justice. And I speak out all over the country and do what I can to educate and push policy reform so that we can move on to things that are more important for American society. So I joined the Maryland State Police back in 1989 after a very good friend of mine was tragically murdered by a drug gang in Salisbury, Maryland. And I spent the next 15 years working my way up through the ranks, doing lots of different very cool assignments. In 2000, I had a very good friend who was also a state trooper working undercover in Washington, D.C. He was murdered doing an undercover drug buy. And when that happened, I really paused and rethought my position on the war on drugs and started thinking critically about where we might go from here. During that time, I was in law school and I was a commander on the I-95 corridor, and we were doing a lot of work with criminal interdiction, particularly surrounding drug enforcement and asset seizure. So it was a very interesting time to be a commander and gave me a different perspective on what's going on in the field. But I really couldn't formulate the answer or my solution to how to fix things until I retired in 2007 and got some space away from the actual work. But when I was able to get out of the way, if you will, the work, and get into the community in Baltimore working with law students that I teach at the University of Maryland Carey School of Law, I was actually able to see firsthand the collateral consequences that have stemmed from our reliance on mass incarceration as a form of social control.